Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Guess what we're doing today? I am doing a DIY craft video, and it has been so long since I've done a DIY video, and I figured that it is time for me to do another one. They aren't exactly my most popular videos, but I really just want to do this one, and I think it's going to be super cool and easy and fun. This video, as you saw from the title, is going to be a little 4th of July, little utensil and cup and plate sort of caddy. So I don't really know like what the exact definition would be, but thought I had to sneeze. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys all the stuff I got. I'm going to go over all the details of it, the stuff that you'll need, and then we'll just jump right in. So I've been looking on Pinterest for 4th of July DIYs, and I came across this little caddy thing that you can put like utensils and fun stuff in for 4th of July, and I was like, oh, that's cute. Well, I looked at the prices of them. I wasn't going to buy one, but just looking at the cost of it, it was like $100 or more. And I was like, I can make this for a lot cheaper. So that's my plan. So I found these little cute wooden like carton things that we're going to use. And I got 3 of them. So this we're going to use. And I also got some woodwork glue there. And I'm hoping this works good, because y'all know how I am with glue. This is why I haven't done a DIY video in so long. And then I found these adorable little cups. This says America the Beautiful, and these say Land of the Free. Can't really tell right now because the label's covering it. But these actually fit inside this little caddy, and I am just so excited to try this out. Then I found blue napkins, red napkins, red and blue silverware, and last but not least, this little star banner. We're going to incorporate that somehow. So all in all, this project, if you get these exact same materials at Dollar Tree, it will cost you $11. That's it. And really, you could do it for $5. I mean, this includes the silverware in it and the napkins. I obviously can't fit any plates in here, so if you wanted to do one with plates, you'll have to get bigger boxes, but they don't have those at the Dollar Tree unless you want to use like a plastic tub or something. I guess you could do that. But this, you know, I figured that most people put the plates on the table anyways, and I think that most people want the silverware and the napkins more organized. So I think that this will be more useful, at least for our family gatherings. I'm not sure about what other people do with their gatherings, but that's just kind of how it works where I go on holidays and stuff. But let me stop rambling, because y'all know I'm so good about that, and we'll jump right in. And also, if you guys hear a fan in the background, I am so sorry. I am burning up. It is so hot here today where I live. So that is going to be running in the background because my AC is not cutting it today. And this ring light, y'all, it's hot. So that is going to be going on in the background. So if you hear a noise, sorry about it. Okay, so let's do this. The first thing I'm going to do is just remove these stars from this little burlap banner, and I started to cut it, but then I realized I could pull it off. It came off pretty easily, so that was pretty good. Then I'm going to glue the bottom half of the star to the little boxes, and make sure if you do this exact same one that you position your stars to where they don't hit each other when the boxes are glued next to each other. The glue actually seems to be working really well, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the boxes together. I let the stars sit on here for about 30 minutes. And I'm also going to use these little clamps. That way I can hold it into place. Now it's time to put all of our little goodies inside, and you can be as creative as you want to with this part. Okay, you guys, this is the final result, and I am so happy with this. I think it is so adorable for the 4th of July. I think it's going to be very practical for family gatherings. And also, just on a side note, the woodworking glue from Dollar Tree is awesome. It worked so great on this project. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.